Hello, welcome to tutorial for your channel. In this video, I will show you how to write a program to swap two numbers without third variable. How to swap two numbers? You can swap two numbers without using third variable. There are two common ways to swap two numbers without using third variable. First is plus and minus. You can use this two operator, plus operator and minus operator, to swap two numbers without using third variable. And then other way is to use multiplication and division. So there are these two ways to swap two numbers without using third variable. First we will see how we can write this program using multiplication and division. First we will make two variables. We cannot make third variable. A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 5. Then we will print this before swap. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 5. Alright, then we will use first multiplication. So A value is 10 multiplied by B, which is 5. So A multiplied by B is 10 multiplied by 5 gives us 50. So now our A will become 50. Then we divide it to get the B value. So 50, our A has become 50 divided by B, which is 5. So 50 divided by 5 gives us 10. So our B will become 10. So now as you can see, our B value is 10. So we are already halfway through. So our B has become 10. Now we just have to make A equal to 5. For that we have to divide A by B. So our value of A was 50 divided by B, which has now become 10 after this. So A divided by B, 50 divided by 10, so it gives us 5. So our value of B and our value of A has been swapped, and now our A will be 5 and our B will be 10. Then just we have to print after swap that A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 10. So this is how you can do using multiplication division. Now I will show you how you can do using plus and minus. So first we are just getting A and B, which is 10 and 5. Then we are just printing this message, swapping this, and then we are using plus first, then we will use minus and minus. So A plus B gives us 50. So our A value will become 15. Then A minus B. So our A has become 15 minus B, which is 5. So 15 minus 5 gives us 10. So our B has become 10. Now just A is left, so we will minus A with B. So our A was 15 minus 10. Our B has become 10. So A minus B is equal to 15 minus 10 gives us 5. So as you can see, we have successfully swapped A and B again using addition and subtraction. Let's look this how this program will look. This program will look like this. Before it will print that the value of A and B is 5 and 10. After swap it will print that A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 5. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day.